Opening the lid, you will be greeted with a smaller box that contains the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and a frosted jelly case. Underneath is the phone itself, but let's put it on the side for now. When it comes to design, the Redmi Note 10 Pro marks a big improvement over the Note 9 Pro. The back panel is made out of glass that does a poor job keeping smudges out of sight, but the complementary jelly case does help keep things a little more clean. The unit we have comes in onyx gray, but there's also a glacier blue and gradient bronze color variants. Checking out the sides, on the right you can find the volume rocker and the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Meanwhile, on the left you'll find its triple card slot for 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card that's expandable up to 512GB. Located on top are the headphone jack, secondary speaker, the secondary microphone, and an IR blaster. Meanwhile, at the bottom you'll find its loudspeaker, main microphone, and a USB Type-C port. Now for display. The Note 10 Pro gets a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED dot display screen with thin bezels and a small punch hole on the upper center for its front camera. Above that, you can find the earpiece. As for protection, it's covered with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and a pre-installed screen protector. Thanks! Now powering this device is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor that's paired with an Adreno 618 GPU, 6 or 8GB of RAM, and 64 or 128GB of internal storage. It runs on MIUI 12, which is based on Android 11, and it's equipped with a generous 5020 mAh battery capacity with 33 watts fast charging. Moving on to cameras, as you noticed, it carries the same camera module design as the Xiaomi Mi 11 and Mi 10 Ultra. The one in a silver-coated ring is the 108-megapixel sensor, then below it is the 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, the 5-megapixel macro sensor, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. As for that punch hole is a 16-megapixel front camera. We'll get into this a little deeper in our full review, but for now here are a few sample photos that you can check out. If you're wondering how much this phone is, well, there's no official price yet for the Note 10 Pro as of the creation of this video. But it's no surprise that Xiaomi is really showing us some impressive phones that surely won't break your bank. So we're looking forward to that. And that's it for this quick hands-on video, guys. What can you say about this Redmi Note 10 Pro?